What's up, Zoey? Zoey is all day looking like this at me. You don't like Holland, sweetie?
A Holanda é aborrecida.
Yes, it's boring. Sitting in the house all day, huh?
Podemos ir lá fora.
Yes, I need to make the video, sweetie. If it's finished, we go to the forest, okay? Zoey is not agreeing on the situation. AKA, she's pissed. You guys ready for a walk? We're not going to the forest.
Sim, onde vamos?
Oh.
Sim,
It's a
onde?
surprise. Almost there, girls. Girls? Look good?
Árvores giras.
Bonita grama.
You haven't seen the best yet. Oops. You see it already or not? No, you're looking the wrong way. Haha! Akira. It's a puddle. Very big puddle.
Vamos.
You wanna go? Zoey. Zoey, you're looking the wrong way. Zoey?
Vamos lá.
We have one very misbehaving dog. Guess who's into the water? There's also water falling from the sky. We don't agree on that, huh, Zoey? Zoey is in the water. In the mud. Good surprise or what? Yeah, that's birds. There are a lot. Oh. A lot of other doggies there. Let's see how they socialize today. Zoey doesn't really want to socialize. Like the ears flat in the neck. Just walks by everybody.
Elas não falam português.
They don't speak your language, sweetie. No, I know. Wow, Zoe's in the water. You're freshening up, babe. Annika. Woo! Yeah, it's too bad. I think they both understand now that the dogs here don't speak Portuguese. So they're not even trying anymore. Just was a whole group. No interest. Ah, well, maybe we're just three loners. It's quite fresh. A little bit of rain. Good to breathe in some fresh air. Ah, yeah. Well, in Holland there's not much to do, right? We sit in the house. The girls are completely annoyed by that. So yeah, at least be careful, Akira. Yeah, there's a drop off there to the water, so I don't want them to fall in. Annika! That's a long swim up till there. Annika! Yeah, so at least one time a day I try to take them for a forest or a beach or... But yeah, we can't do that every day. I'm trying to though. Annika, amor. Oh, there goes Akira. And there goes Zoey.
Senhor, ajuda.
Oh, mãe, ajuda.
Okay, now I'm wet. Guys, dudes. Yeah, so they can't get out here themselves.
Obrigada, senhor.
Two dogs in panic mode. And the owner also in panic mode. Ah, guys, now my gloves are wet. And my pants. As if the rain wasn't enough. You think you can just jump in somewhere, huh? Yeah. I think they couldn't care less. Akira, now, please don't jump in again. There's no beach here. I have to pull you out. Already glad they did it where is the little ridge and not where is the high ridge. Whew. You okay, guys? Scary, huh? Starting to rain harder. Zoey, Annika. Now. Hey, Annika. Now. Somebody sees the car? I don't. Zoey, Annika. This is the same leg, we just turned around here. We'll do the full round another day. It's a long way. Akira is more into meeting new friends than Zoey. But yeah, language barrier, huh? Yes, you can, sweetie, go. You can get out here. What are you guys doing? Be careful, hey! Akira! Should have taken my rubber boots. Annika! Zoey! In the mud! Annika! Now! Hey! Now! Annika! She had something in her mouth. We don't eat from the ground. Most of the time. What are you guys looking for? Huh? Akira. Now we're going swimming. What's the water temperature like?
Muito frio.
Huh?
Está ótimo.
Oh, you guys want to get to the birds? Well, don't try here, sweetie, because you can't get out. Be careful. I'm not gonna pull you out again. Well, I am gonna pull you out again, but please try not to go in. Akira, now. Annika. The birds don't want to play, guys. Look at them, they're comfortably drifting in a puddle. Now! Guys, I have one dry glove, please. This is where the last went in. Guys, maybe play on that side. Better for my heart. Ooh, cold wind, mate. Cold and windy. Annika. Oh. Pop, 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 pop. Ah, there she is. Josephine. We might be saying goodbye to Josephine very soon. I'm looking for another car. Something bigger for the girls also. Let's see. I have had more beautiful days walking here with dogs. Yeah, good to get some fresh air for the three of us. Zoey, where are you going? Andeka! Hey! Andeka! Maybe they want to play some mini golf. There's a mini golf here. I don't think they have sticks for 4 paws, guys. Good, sweetie? Akira! Akira! I say Akira! Andeka, Akira! Akira's still too excited about the water. What are you doing, sweetie? You can pee on it also, it's more easy. Zoey recognizes the car. Oh, Josephine is not going to be happy with you guys. Sorry, Josephine.
Desculpa, Josephine.
Desculpa, Josephine.
Wet, 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 wet. And dirty. The phone. He fell on the floor. Ew. Let's go home. Let's go home. Yes, sweetie, it's coming. 7 minutes.
A vir de onde?
Look out of the window for a guy on a bike. With a box. And your food.
Há muitas bicicletas aqui.
We have this new supermarket here in Holland. I don't know if it's everywhere in Holland, but it's in my city. It's in the city of Apeldoorn. And they, it's like a small supermarket. Has only a couple of stuff, but the essentials. And maybe a little bit more expensive. But they deliver by bike. And as soon as you order, my delivery is going to be here in 11 minutes. It's really crazy, Zoey. 11 minutes for your shopping at your door.
Eu não acredito.
I ordered your food. It's coming. We like people on bikes. Where is he? We don't have this in Garridas. No. 4 minutes.
Estou à espera.
It's exciting, huh? Waiting for the food. It's like a restaurant delivery, but then with like food for Zoey. Food for Zoey. Oh, look, there he comes. So if he can find the right entrance, it's faster than 11 minutes even. One day food. Maybe not even. Very small. I think it's okay. Is it okay? Yeah, I think it's okay. What the? Whoop whoop. Wait a minute, girls. We go in 5 minutes.
Ok, 5 minutos.
I need to talk to the people from the YouTube.
5 minutos, senhor.
And show our new ride. So, you know Josephine? Ah! What I was saying. You know Josephine? This is the new Josephine. We bought a lovely Volkswagen Transporter. Where's that key? Did I take the key? Apparently not.
5 minutos, humano.
Yes, girls, we're going in a minute. This is Josephine's key. Ah, of course.
5 minutos, senhor.
Where were we? Right here. So yeah, 2 captain seats. And for now a back seat. I will be removing the back seat when moving to Portugal for all the stuff. Yes, girls, we go in a minute. Let me talk to the people from the YouTube. So I can carry a bit more stuff in there. And then later, when all the moving is done, I'll put the couch back in. Yeah, it's from 2013. Yeah, transporters are really expensive at the moment. Most second-hand cars. We got a good bargain on this one. The car is not the only thing we will be saying goodbye to in the near future. This house. Yeah. I lived here for a couple of years with a lot of fun. It's in the center of Apeldoorn. A pretty good view here with the canal. But yeah, time for new things. So I'll be in Holland very regularly and I'll be staying at my mom. I still need to talk to her about that. But when I visit Holland, I'll keep this house for a couple of more months because I need to move all my stuff. So we'll be using the new Josephine with Tiny Tim, but Josephine still needs a tow bar. The new Josephine. Let's find a name for her. It's a good name for the new van. Snowy. When are we going to the forest?
Sim, quando?
So yeah, we'll be saying goodbye to a lot of things and welcoming all kinds of new adventures. We're now going to the forest with the girls. Next video we'll probably be going back to Portugal in this. So I still need to take the couch out and get everything ready. My dash cam, old Josephine's dash cam is going in the new Josephine. And pack it up and this weekend we're probably going to Portugal. I think the girls are relieved.
Disseste isso a semana passada.
Sim, ele disse.
Yes, I know, guys, but yeah, you know my planning, right? Yeah, so we stayed a week longer than expected. It's boring for the girls. They want our yard back. Let's go to the forest, guys. Girls. So, the next episode you'll see us. Woohoo! You'll see us going back to Portugal with the new Josephine. I think the girls will enjoy the extra room we have in the car. Don't you, girls?
Podemos ir agora.
Yeah, you want to go to the forest, I know. We are going right now. Say goodbye to the YouTube people.
Akira, para.
Akira, stop teasing your sister. Hey. They don't want to say goodbye. They will see you in the next episode. Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching another video of the Portugal project. If you want to follow the Portugal project more closely, you can also add it on Facebook. Or add me on my personal account on Facebook or Instagram. See you next time at the Portugal project.